What is solutions architecture and how to use it? The role of solutions architecture is to identify answers to business problems and set out solution options and their components. There will be many potential solutions to a problem with varying degrees of sustainability to the underlying business need. Solution options are derived from a combination of solutions architecture dimensions, which describe characteristics, features, qualities, requirements, and solution design factors. This is combined with limitations and boundaries, which then delineate the limitations of the solution. The use of a structured architecture approach can assist with solution design to create solution consistency. Solutions architecture can be defined as what is actually required from the new solution to make it work. What are the expectations of the new solution from our key stakeholders? What do we have to develop to make the solution work? What bits of the solution do we already have and can reuse so we're not reinventing the wheel? Do we integrate the new solution with other systems? And how do we do that? How much effort will the new solution require? And how much will the new solution cost to implement and operate over its lifetime? Solutions architecture can be broken down into 4 domains. We use these domains to segment the problem and allow us to focus in on each domain separately. These 4 domains are business architecture, data architecture, technical architecture, and applications architecture. Business architecture focuses on the reason we do what we do, the people we serve, and the outcomes we seek. Technical architecture describes the physical infrastructure required to enable our solution and the constraints in which it must live within. Data architecture describes what information and knowledge do we require in doing our business, and how do we treat that data. Finally, applications architecture describes the software that supports the delivery of the business, its mandate, goals, and objectives. The standard solutions architecture approach can be broken down into 5 steps. Step 1. Spend the time to truly understand the desired business or departmental outcomes. Step 2. Break down those outcomes into defined parts, including products, processes, and functions. Step 3. Decide on the right architecture to achieve what they have defined. Step 4. Understand the environment around the solution, including the software, hardware, user interactions, integrations, and interfaces. Step 5. Advise project teams on implementing their recommend solution. How to best use solutions architecture. A good solutions architecture puts specifications in place with a well-defined solution, which helps us to deliver and accomplish the final product, along with smooth product operability after launch. A single problem can have multiple solutions, and each solution has its constraints. Solutions architecture considers all the solutions and finds the best one by creating a hands-on proof of concept that accommodates all of the business and technical limitations. Change value. The solutions architect evaluates which technology an organization or project should adopt in order to achieve long-term sustainability and maintainability. Business goal. Solution architecture converts business goals into technical vision by analyzing market trends and implementing the best practice. Solutions architecture needs to be flexible enough to meet new, challenging, demanding, and rapidly changing business requirements. Target date. Solution architecture makes sure that the overall solution is in alignment with the business objective and launch timeline to ensure minimal chances of target date slippage. Increased ROI. Solutions architecture determines the ROI and can help to measure the success of a project. Solutions architecture forces businesses to think about how to reduce costs and remove waste in the process in order to improve the overall ROI. Market opportunity. Solutions architecture involves the process of analyzing and continually evaluating the latest trends in the marketplace. It also helps with backing up and promoting new products. Budget and resourcing. A well-defined solutions architecture helps us to understand the amount of resources that are required for project completion. This helps with a better budget forecast and resource planning. Project timeline. A solution architect determines the resources and effort that are required during the design phase, which should help define the schedule. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this presentation. If you'd like more information, please go to www.norvan.net. Please enjoy other videos on my channel and share them where you can. Thanks again.